So, how you name your variables matters. And Python, there are different naming styles like camel case, Pascal case, and snake case. And this video will look at each style and when to use them. There are the different naming conventions used in Python. First is camel case. First word is lowercase, next word is capitalized. Example, kanang student name. Ang student is small letter ang S, ang name is big letter ang N. Then, second is Pascal case, each word started with a capital letter. Kanang letter S, big letter, ang letter N is big letter. Next is snake case, all lowercase with underscores between words. Example, student name, small letter, na din siya undergo. Ang name po niya is small letter.